everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am doing a pour. This is on a 16-inch round Artist Loft canvas. I'm going to use Artist Loft's Flow White for my base. I already have it down and I've torched it once, but I'm going to torch it again here before we get going. The colors that I'm going to use are, so I'm using some Decoart's 24 karat gold and Blick Violet. I think it's, I don't know if it's deep violet or just violet. Decoart's metallic amethyst, and Artminds Onyx. And then my shimmer color, I'm using Amsterdam's titanium white. Alright, so, and I kind of want a little bit of negative space, but if I don't, that's fine too. I kind of been having fun doing these, not necessarily having any negative space, just kind of opening everything up. So I think I might just do that. If I have a little bit of white in there, that'll be fine too. So I'm going to start off with the violet. And let's see, actually I'm going to do black. Kind of undecided there what to do. All right, and then I'm going to do my most favorite color in the world, 24 karat gold. And then the Decoart's metallic amethyst. All right, get a paper towel here. Oh, I'm going to torch this again, which I forgot to do. I think I have something right here. And I did. All right. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And we'll like and subscribe and share, and if you can watch it as long as possible, help me with my watch hours. I would appreciate it. I finally got monetized, but I'm still working on getting my watch hours up, so I would appreciate the help with that. But I just appreciate you watching anyway, no matter how long you watch. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to have much negative space left, but that's okay. These colors are beautiful together. Alright, and I'm going to torch it again. Let's see. All right, so now I'm gonna spin this out and open up them cells. It's so pretty. All right, so I think now I'm going to, let's see here. Do I want to do anything else? I think I want to do a little bit something right here. I really like it though. I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to stop and I'm going to bring it down for a close-up because it's beautiful. These cells are amazing. There's not as much black as I would have liked, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Okay, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Just look at how pretty that is. It's got some, oops, sorry about that. Focus, focus. Some amazing shimmer, some really cool cells and lacing. I love this. Look at that, those are cool. You guys will have to tell me what you think in the comments, please. Let me know what you think about this one. I'm really pleased with this. Colors are beautiful. The shimmer is amazing. And wait till it gets resined. Oh my, it's going to be so beautiful. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And we'll do all that fun jazzy jazz stuff. Like and subscribe. I can't talk. Subscribe, comment below, share if you would. Helps my channel out tremendously, and I do appreciate all your guys' support. I hope everybody is being healthy, staying safe out there. Look at all that shimmer. Maybe if it focuses, look at that, look at that. Shimmer, shimmer. That's what my granddaughter would say. But I forgot what I was saying. I hope everybody is being healthy, staying healthy, being safe out there. Yeah. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.